Hanging out with my jackapoo, Shelby here, just one of our friends. It's always great to have Dr. Marty Becker drop by, practicing vet for 30 years, always on the lookout for new products to help your pets, your loved ones, lead a happier, healthier life, and easier ones for you as well when it comes to caregiving. Good to see you. Happy New Year. Happy holidays.
Happy New Year to you, friend.
And you've got Sheffield. These are both shelter animals from here in New York City, so I imagine they won't be for long when we give you the information after the segment. But you're here to show us off some new products.
Well, I'm a 30-year veteran veterinarian. I go to trade shows, I read the magazines, I question several hundred people. What are the most innovative products for veterinary and pet products of 2008? And we're here to show you the top 5.
Perfect. Okay, let's get to them.
I'm going to let you borrow this one for a little.
All right. You two play nice.
Shedding is the #1 pet owner complaint, and I love the Eureka Pet Boss vacuum. And the thing I like about it, of course it's going to work on flooring, but what it works on furniture, I'm going to show you here. It has the amazing power pet paw that's air-driven.
Right.
So you use it here, you do the typical carpet right here, then you just take this, pull this off, little wind turbine, right here, and you've got all the hair off your furniture.
Right, yeah. I guess when we combine a vacuum and a cat, we were asking for it.
We're right back to normal. Right back to normal.
But this is the one that gets everything up.
Twice the cleaning power for half the price, $140 or less at Walmart.
That's pretty good. It looks like an imposing machine. All right, now let's get into medicine. What do you have here?
Okay, the biggest fear of a pet owner. The veterinarian says you got to give your pet a pill twice a day.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we've got a high-tech solution and a low-tech solution. Because the problem with giving pills is the pet is scared, they fight you, so you're scared to give it, or you're forgetful because life gets busy. So we have a saying, life happens, doses don't. So the medication ends up in the cupboard, not inside the pet.
Sure.
First, a high-tech solution. Pfizer Animal Health, a very broad-spectrum, long-acting antibiotic. You get an injection from your veterinarian of Cerenia. One shot lasts 2 weeks.
Oh, that's good.
One shot, 2 weeks.
Okay.
Cerenia. Okay, Greenie's Pill Pockets, a delectable, edible, meat-flavored pockets, like a little shot glass or cup. You simply take the pill, you put it inside the little thing, you squeeze it shut, and now what we call putting the treat into treatment.
Right.
Greenie's Pill Pockets.
Sneaky way to...
So he wants to eat it right there, right now. It's got antibiotic in it, so good job.
All right, those are good to know. Now, when it comes to, clipping nails.
Oh, my God.
It's brutal. You know,
How do you know?
We used to do it with our Aussie cattle dog, and it was so, you never know if you're going too deep.
Especially if you have a black nail. How do you see the quick, right?
Yeah.
This has a sensor in it right here. And let me turn this on. What it does, it senses dead tissue, which is a nail, and the live tissue, which is the quick. So it has a little sensor there, and it tells you, just like a traffic light, red is stop, yellow is caution, green is go.
It senses live tissue. Interesting. Okay. And you were telling me an interesting thing. There's no way to tell if a pet has heart problems.
Right. Dogs have heart attacks, but they don't show the signs like humans. Cats, typically by the time you see heart failure because the signs are so subtle. There's a new test from IDEXX called the PROBNP test. Same test that's used in humans, but you'll get simply a test from your veterinarian. They'll send the test off, and one day later you can find out, even if the clinical signs are absent or nondescript for heart disease, finally have a test for heart disease in dogs and cats.
And I imagine there's some breeds that are more, vulnerable to heart disease.
3.2 million dogs just in the U.S. alone.
Okay. And when it comes to calorie control, a lot of overweight pets out there, Marty.
I love this. The PetMate La Bistro. What this thing does is it precisely measures out the food 3 times a day. So just like setting an alarm clock, talk to your veterinarian how much food you should feed. It'll precisely dispense that at an interval. So if you're gone on vacation, gone for the weekend, it gives the food as well.
Or even if you're not gone, you don't have to think about it.
Don't have to think about it.
It doles it out and they lap it up.
Precise calorie control.
What'd you think of that? Pretty good, huh? He knows his stuff. Thank you for being here, Doc.
Thank you,
Good
Bill.
to see you again. Happy New Year. And as we mentioned at the top, Sheffield, Shelby, up for adoption with the New York Humane Society. And you can get these tips, and more information on our friends here by visiting our website at abcnews.com.